Alright, so the first thing you're going to do is find the Quizziz app on your phone. You're going to click that. You do not have to log in to participate in the game. You could just simply enter the game code right here. But because we are using our school account, we're going to hit login and we're going to sign in with Google. You'll pick your school account and it'll sign you right in, and you should be linked in with the class. You'll be given a game code. Game codes are provided for either live games or for homework assignments. This one is a homework assignment that can be done at your own pace. Once you join, you have the option to turn music on and off, sound effects, read aloud, and memes. So if you'd like the questions read to you, you can turn this on or off. Once you join the game, you'll be given the questions. If you're in the classroom mode, the questions will show up on the screen. As you answer questions, you gain gold in the corner and different memes pop up throughout. And you'll see the leaderboard with who you're playing up against as your classmates complete it. The good part about this is each time that you answer questions, you get more familiar with them. So you may not do well your first time, but you retain the information each time you complete the quiz. Quizzes can be provided access links which can be sent or